Now let's get started customizing our website. Right now, this section at the top has this large looping video, which I think looks really nice, but it does feel a little bit distracting. And I think I'd prefer to use a still image instead. You can easily change out the image or video here by clicking into the section and then going to the top right and clicking on Edit Section. And here I'll change it from video to image. Then I'll click on Replace Image. And then I'll drag and drop in a saved image from my device. Give that a moment to upload. I'll then select the image. And you'll see that upload here. Nice, I think that looks a lot better and it's way less distracting than the looping video. We're also able to easily change out the text on our website. To do that, hover your mouse over the text that you want to change and click into it. Click on Edit Text. You're able to easily highlight and change out all of the text that you want. I'll change this to say, fresh coffee every day. And below that, we have a button that says Order Now. To change this, simply click on it, click on Edit Button, and you can change out the button text here. Instead of Order Now, I want this to say, Place Your Order. And we can also change out where this button links to after your website visitor clicks on it. For example, here I want to change it to a specific page. So I'll click on Page, and for the page, I'll choose the Order page. Perfect. Now I think everything up here at the top is looking really good. You can also easily reposition all of the different elements on your website. For example, here, if I wanted to make the Place Your Order button appear closer to the center of the page, I'll hold down left click on the button, and then I can drag and drop it wherever I want. You can also do this for text as well. But I think I liked it where it was before. So to quickly undo a change, go to the top and press this undo button here. If I click on it, it's going to undo both of those changes. This is really awesome and it gives you complete creative freedom over everything on your website. Now let's look at adding new elements to your website. Up in the top left, you'll click on this plus icon that says Elements. Go ahead and click on it here. And here you can add in all sorts of different elements. We have text, buttons, images, videos. And if you want to add an element to your website, just simply drag and drop in the element that you want. You can reposition it just like the other elements. And if you decide that you don't want it later on, you can actually delete the element by going to the trash can icon here and then clicking on it. You can also add entirely new sections to your website. If I scroll down here, in between this section and the top section, you'll see this blue Add Section button in between them. If I click on it here, we have a bunch of different sections that we can add. You can generate a section using AI. You can add in a blank section, a blog, an online store, and then here you'll see a wide variety of different templates. Depending on what kind of website you're creating, I would definitely scroll through here and see which type of section is going to work best for you. For my site, I'm happy with the sections that I already have, so I'll go ahead and move on.